Hi friends, Vivian here from Craft Goals Designs, and this tutorial is to show you how to work the hanger and pass the cord through the ring on this crochet plant hanger. And I'm going to show you, once you get at this stage right here where you have your stitches, your chains right here, and the stitch marker marking the center of each side. Here is where we are going to make the cord of chains to attach the ring, and this is what I'm going to show you right now. So first we are going to reattach the yarn from one side, pass it through the ring, and then reattach to the opposite side, cut the yarn, reattach on this side, chain 80, pass through the ring, and then reattach to the other side. So before we reattach the yarn, we are going to measure around 20 inches of yarn. After you have the 20 inches of yarn, we are going to insert the hook right where our stitch mark is. And chain 1 just to hold it. So now we are going to chain 80 to 1. I already had 1, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you have 80 chains, go ahead and measure again around 20 inches and cut the yarn. So I have here my 80 chains and then a tail of around 20 inches of yarn. And I forgot to tell you, when you are working the handles, we are going to keep the right side of our project down, because this will be the right side. This side where you can see the stitches right here, this is the right side, the side where people will see when you have your plant here, your plant vase here. This is what people will see outside. So with the wrong side up, this is how we are going to work that. Now we are going to get the ring and pass that through the ring. This is how you make the first side. Now go ahead and attach the yarn on the opposite side. So we started on this side right here. So I have my 20 inches of yarn left here, attached the yarn right here, and now we are going to reattach where the stitch marker is on the opposite side. So go ahead and reattach the yarn right where the stitch marker is and just slip stitch. And you can just pull that yarn and you should be ready. You should be done with this side. So now we are going to attach the yarn on the two left opposite sides. What we are going to do is the same thing that we did with both sides right here. Now we are going to do with these sides right here. Let's reattach the yarn on this side. So first, make sure you have a tail of around 20 inches of yarn. So I left here around 20 inches of yarn. We'll come here where the stitch marker is, and I will reattach that yarn, and again I'm going to chain 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 79, 80. So once you have 80 chains, go ahead and measure again around 20 inches of yarn and cut the yarn. And now what we are going to do, you're going to bring that ring to the middle of your project and pass this cord through the ring as we did to the with the other side. So now you have both cords through the ring. Go ahead and slip stitch on the opposite side right where you have the stitch marker. So go ahead and insert the hook, slip stitch, and you can pull that yarn. And this is how you attach the ring on your project. This is what you should have. This is the base of your plain hanger, and on each side you should have a tail of around 20 inches of yarn left for the finishing. So you can see right here, 20 inches of yarn on each of the sides, and both cords of 80 chains passing through that ring. So I will leave the link down below on the information box below if you want to check this pattern, and I hope you guys enjoy doing it, making some for your home or to gift someone else that you love. This is a perfect gift for Mother's Day or birthday or even for Christmas. It's very quick and easy to make. This is how you will attach the ring, and yeah, I hope you like this video. If you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. Thank you. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.